Hi dear students, this is the second video about the polygons and we are going to learn regular polygons in this video. Okay, for the regular polygons we have two important property. All the sides of a regular polygon are equal, so all the sides they are here equal, and all the angles of a regular polygon they are equal to each other. All the angles here we mean interior angles or exterior angles. It is not important. They are all equal. If our regular polygon has three sides, we are calling it equilateral triangle. If it has four sides, we are calling it square. Regular pentagon, or when it has five sides, or when it has six sides, it is called regular hexagon. Here the important part, as I said, they have all equal sides, so these sides they are equal to each other. So I can show the sides they are equal to each other with this sign, with this notation. And all the angles here, if I say alpha, all they are equal to alpha, it's going to be here. This is also alpha, this is also alpha, this is also alpha, and the six angle they are equal to each other. And exterior angles they are equal to each other also, and we are going to learn the formulas for them here. Exterior angles, if they are equal to each other, and each exterior angle of a regular polygon is with n side, it's going to be 360 divided by n. If you remember, all the sum of the exterior angles is equal to 360 degree for polygons, and if you have n side, it means that you are going to divide the number of sides, so you are going to get each of the exterior angle of the regular polygon. For the interior angles, the formula was n minus 2 times 180, the sum of all sides. And if you divide this one by n, because the figure is n-sided, so you're going to get this formula, n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. So each of the interior angle you are going to find. Here we are going to understand these formulas on the question better. A regular polygon has 15 sides, so n is equal to 15. First, we need to remember that one. Find the size of each interior angle. We are going to find in the part A. So the formula, if you remember, it was equal to n minus 2 times 180 divided by n, it's going to be, which is equal to 15 minus 2 times 180 divided by 15, and it's going to be equal to 13 times 180 divided by 15. It's going to be if we divide by 5, this is going to be equal to 180 divided by 5, it's going to be equal to 36. 15 divided by 5, it's going to be equal to 3. If you divide by here again by 3, this is going to be 12, and divide by 3, 36 divided by 3, it's going to be 12, and 3 divided by 3, it's going to be equal to 1. So here the answer 13 times 12 it's going to be, which is equal to 144 plus 12, which is 156 going to be. So one of the interior angle of the regular 15-sided figure, it's equal to 156, it's going to be. The second one, it's going to be, we are going to work out for the each exterior angle, which means 360 divided by 15, and when I divide, I'm going to divide by 5 again. When you divide 360 by 5, it's going to be equal to 72 degree, and if you divide by 5, it's going to be equal to 3. If you divide the 72 by 3, the answer is going to be equal to 24. And in the third one, it says that check that they add up to 180. And always, if you remember, I said in the first video, sum of the interior angle and exterior angle is equal to 180 degrees. So we are going to check that 156 plus 24, is it equal to is it equal to 180 degree? As you see, the sum is going to be equal to 180 degree. So this is the third one. We show that it is true. The sum of exterior angle and interior angle, always it's going to be equal to 180 degree. Here there are some exercises. Let's continue with these exercises. Firstly, find the size of angles marked with the letters. It says we are going to find interior angle and exterior angle for each question. As you see here, I'm going to choose, I think, this one, the figure. I want to solve the C1. Here the interior angle is F, the exterior angle is E. The number of sides n is equal to, as you see here, 8. So the A1, the interior angle is n minus 2 times 180 divided by n, which is equal to n minus 2. It's going to be equal to 8 minus 2 times 180 divided by 8. Here it's going to be equal to 6 times 180 divided by 8. And 6 and 8, if you simplify, it's going to be equal to, here they're both divisible by 2, it's going to be equal to 3 and 4. And here if you divide by 4, or if you divide by 2, this is going to be equal to 90 degree, this is going to be equal to 2, and if you divide the 90 degree by 2, here it's going to be equal to 45, and here it's going to be equal to 1. So the answer is 3 times 45 divided by 1, which is equal to 135. 135, it's going to be 135 degree is the answer of interior angle. What about the exterior angle? Exterior angle is going to be 360 divided by n directly, which is equal to 360 divided by the number of sides was equal to 8. And if you simplify, if you divide by 2, it's going to be equal to 180, and here it's going to be equal to 4. 180 divided by 4, like here, 180 divided by 4, it's going to be equal to 45. So the answer here, it's going to be equal to 45 degrees. So 135 plus 45, it's going to be equal to 180 degree. Here we don't have figure, and without using the figure, we are going to find again, because here n is given, n is equal to 9. So how to find the each interior angle? For AI, it's going to be equal to n is equal to 9. So the formula is equal to n minus 2 times 180, n minus 2 times 180 over n, which is equal to n minus 2 is equal to 9 minus 2 times 180 divided by 9. And here it's very easy for me to divide 180 by 9, because 18 is equal to 2 times 9. So this is going to be equal to 20, and here it is equal to 1. So it is equal to 7 times 20, which is equal to 140 for the interior angle. What about the exterior angle? If n is equal to 9, the second I here, it's going to be, and that's equal to 360 divided by n, which is equal to 360 divided by here, divided by 9, and it's going to be equal to 40 degree. 36 times 4, it's equal to 9 times 4 is equal to 36, so the result is going to be equal to 40. So 40 and 140, it's equal to 180 degree.